everyone. Welcome to the Easy English Podcast. I'm your host, Leo.
Hey, Leo. Hey, everyone. So happy to be here with you today. I'm Mia, your co-host.
Let's go. We're super excited to hang out with you again.
In today's episode, we're going to talk about something really fun and super useful, making friends online.
Yes, whether you're learning English, feeling a little lonely, or just want to connect with people online, or maybe you're a little shy and not sure how to start, this episode is for you.
No worries, we got you. Today, we'll talk, laugh, share real stories, and discuss interesting questions together. On top of that, we're also going to teach you a lot of cool and practical vocabulary, phrasal verbs, collocations, and idiomatic expressions you can actually use in real life.
Exactly, not boring vocabulary. Actual English you can use immediately. For example, phrases like hit it off, which means you connect with someone very quickly.
Or slide into someone's DMs, which means sending a private message, usually on social media.
And don't worry, we'll explain everything clearly and give you real-life examples so you can really understand and use them confidently and naturally.
So make sure you stay with us until the end. You might learn some great expressions that can help you make your next online friend.
And hey, before we start, don't forget to hit that like button.
Share this podcast with your friends.
And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future episodes.
Thank you so much for supporting us. It really means a lot.
All right, let's jump right in. Hey Mia, guess what? I started chatting with someone on TikTok.
Oh, really? Okay, I'm curious. What's her name?
Her name's Julia. She's from China, and we both love photography and camping in the mountains.
Oh, that's nice. So, did you guys hit it off?
Haha, yeah, we did.
Wait, hold on. Hit it off? What does that mean?
Great question. Hit it off means you become friendly with someone very quickly.
Ah, got it. Can you give us a simple example?
Sure. Julia and I hit it off because we both love photography.
Nice. So you guys had what we call mutual interests.
Exactly. Mutual interests means things that both people like. We both love photography and traveling, so we had a lot in common.
I love that. Well, I'll give our listeners another example. We became friends because we have mutual interests like learning languages and making new friends around the globe. So Leo, how did you start talking?
Well, I posted some photos on TikTok and she commented. Then I reached out to her.
Ooh, another useful phrase, reach out, which means to start talking to someone first.
Exactly. Like, I reached out to her after reading her comment.
And then?
We started to get to know each other.
Which means learning more about someone.
Yes, and over time, we started to build a connection and develop trust. It grows little by little.
Ooh, I like that. Build a connection means slowly creating a relationship. I think it's easier to talk to people online than in person. What do you think, Leo?
I agree. Online, you can think before you reply and you don't feel shy. But face-to-face is also special.
I figure online friends can help you learn about other cultures. I learned so much about Korean food from my online friend in Seoul.
That's true. The internet is one of the best places to make friends who share your interests. But we still need to be smart and safe.
So, Leo, do you think online friends are real friends?
I think yes, if you have a genuine connection.
Nice. Genuine connection means a real and honest feeling between people.
Exactly. Not fake, not forced, just natural.
Couldn't agree more. Sometimes online friends understand you better than people in real life.
True, especially when you find common ground.
Ah, yes. Common ground means something you both like or agree on. Okay, serious question. Is it risky to make friends online?
Yes, sometimes. Some people have trust issues.
Meaning they find it hard to trust others. Some people have trust issues when they meet friends online.
True. That's why I never share personal details with strangers.
Personal details are private information like your address, phone number, or bank info. Never share them, okay, everyone?
Exactly. And if you decide to meet an online friend in real life, always do it in a public place, like a busy coffee shop or a shopping mall. A public place is somewhere many people can see you. It's much safer.
Remember, safety first, guys. Oh, speaking of safety, Leo, do you agree or disagree with this statement? Online friends are just as real as face-to-face friends.
I agree, but it depends. I have a long-distance friendship with a girl from Brazil. And by the way, long-distance friendship means friendship with someone who lives far away. We stay connected almost every week through WhatsApp, and we exchange messages a lot.
Wow, do you have deep conversations?
Definitely. Deep conversations are talks about serious or important topics like life, dreams, or feelings. When we talk, I feel a genuine connection, a real and honest feeling between us.
Genuine connection sounds beautiful, but it takes time to build a connection and develop trust over time, right?
Exactly. Build a connection means slowly create a good relationship. And develop trust over time means trust grows little by little.
I think it's easier to talk to people online than in person. What do you think, Leo?
Oh, 100% agree. Online, you can think before you reply, and you don't feel shy either.
Absolutely. And you feel less pressure.
Yeah, and sometimes it's easier to open up. But face-to-face is also special.
Great. By the way, open up means sharing your feelings. For example, I've never opened up to anyone like I do to you, Leo.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, Mia. I really do appreciate it.
I figure online friends can help you learn about other cultures as well. I learned so much about Korean food from my online friend in Seoul.
That's so true. The internet is one of the best places to make friends who share your interests. But we still need to be smart and safe.
You're spot on, Leo. So, do you prefer hanging out online or in person?
Well, if I were completely honest, I prefer meeting in person because it feels more real and personal. You can read people's body language, see their emotions, and build a stronger connection. Online is convenient, but it just doesn't feel the same.
By the way, hang out online basically means to spend time chatting on the internet. My friends from Seoul, Korea, and I hang out online almost every evening.
Wow, sounds great. Korea is also one of my favorite destinations. If money were no object, I'd love to travel there ASAP. And hey Mia, is it okay if I add you on WhatsApp?
Sure, why not? And for our listeners, add someone means to connect with them on social media, like adding them on Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp. But if someone is rude, you can also block them. Stop them from contacting you.
Never ghost me, okay?
Only if you behave. Ghosting someone means you suddenly stop replying and disappear. It's not very nice. Leo, have you ever been ghosted?
Oh yes, many times.
That hurts. Sorry to hear that, man.
It hurts, okay?
It does. So what about slide into someone's DMs?
That means sending a private message. I used to do it a lot back in high school.
Oh, wow. So you were that guy.
Hey, not that bad. I had my moments, okay?
I don't know. You don't really seem like the smooth type.
Oh, really? You'd be surprised. Maybe I just haven't tried yet.
Is that so? Then what would you say if you were sliding into my DMs?
I wouldn't overthink it. Probably just start with something simple and real.
Usually with confidence or maybe a little flirting.
Anyway, you know, Mia, some online friendships become long-distance friendships.
Yes, friends who live far away.
But still, they stay connected.
Through messages, video calls, or chats.
That's the power of digital communication.
All right, guys, time for a quick fun quiz. Listen and choose the correct answer. We'll give you 3 seconds for each answer.
Fast and furious. Okay, here we go. Question 1. What does hit it off mean? A, fight with someone. B, become friends quickly. C, ignore someone.
1, 2, 3. Correct answer is B, become friends quickly.
Question 2. What does ghost someone mean? A, call them. B, help them. C, stop replying suddenly.
1, 2, 3. The answer is C, stop replying suddenly.
Where should you meet an online friend for the first time? A, at their house. B, in a public place. C, in a dark park.
1, 2, 3. The answer is B, in a public place. Always, guys.
What does common ground mean? A, the ground we walk on. B, things you both like or agree on. C, a place to play games.
1, 2, 3. The answer is B, things you both like or agree on.
Guys, how many did you get right? Tell us in the comments.
Leo, final question for today's topic. Can online friendships be strong?
Yes, if you are honest, patient, and real.
I completely agree. Friendship is not about distance, it's about connection.
Beautifully said.
So, to summarize, making friends online can be really fun and exciting if you do it safely. Reach out, find mutual interests, build a connection, and always develop trust over time.
Remember, be kind, be careful, and put yourself out there. Online or offline, a genuine connection is what makes a real friendship.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone. If you have ever made friends online, please share your story in the comments. We read every single one. All right, guys, that's it for today's episode.
We hope you learned new vocabulary and feel more confident making friends online after listening to this podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Don't forget to like
share.
and subscribe.
Thank you so much for listening.
And remember,
Keep learning
keep growing.
and keep connecting.
See you next time.